Talking on the inverted V, that wire's talking with about 20 LS units in Raleigh. Roger.
Oh, wow. Well, yeah, I'll take that. Yeah, it's a full-wave inverted V tuned. It still runs through the 949, but there's no reason for it there. It seems to be working real good, man. You guys are sounding really good, too, so that's the only reason I say anything.
Yeah, 66. Yeah, 1104. I was speaking to Mr. 66 on that wire. 66, take care, man. Like I said, the wire is working for you. I'm just working a little 6 Alamo about 80 feet in the air. But the wire's talking on the East Coast, no doubt about it. 66, take care. 1104, you as well. Cat Daddy in Raleighwood, North Kakalaki, clear.
Roger that. Yeah, we'll get back out of your receive, man. Thanks again. 73, 66 Colorado back, standing by.